guys, it's Trigger Pull Thursday, and today I have another one of my rifle builds out. This is the what I call the PDQ build, and I built this rifle specifically to do a product review, which was the PDQ, which stands for pretty darn quick. And what the PDQ is, it was ambi bolt release. You can see it right here. It's a little lever. You reach up with your trigger finger and drop the bolt. And see my sticker? Who can tell me what movie that's from? Bonus points if you know it. But anyway, this has a mil-spec trigger group in it. Mil-spec springs, everything is mil-spec. There's nothing that I have done to it to help lighten the trigger pull, so let's test it out. There's no magazine in it. Let's see. And chamber is clear. Flip it on this side. Be easier for me to do the trigger pull. Okay, so first trigger pull. £6, 5.5 ounces. Second pull is 6 pounds, 14.7 ounces. And third and final pull, 6 pounds, 6.1 ounces, an average. 6 pounds, 8.8 ounces. Typical mil-spec trigger pull for this style of rifle. So that's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching, and we will talk to you later.